Hi friends, let us know important dates for All India Bar Examination. Online registration begins from 16th May 2020. Bank payment through Challan starts from 16th May 2020. Online registration closes on 27th July 2020. Last date for payment 29th July 2020. Last date for completion of online form 2nd August 2020. Online release of admit cards 9th August 2020. Date of examination 16th August 2020. So these are the most important dates, and due to COVID-19, in case if the government issues any order to delay the examination may be postponed to some other date. So that is why if you observe on the All India exam, if you observe the website, for every date they kept a star mark over there, because at any point of time they may reschedule the dates because of COVID-19 issue in our country. Now let us know what are the subjects, what is the syllabus for it. So total there are 19 subjects they are going to cover for this All India Bar Examination. The first one is Constitutional Law. You will be getting number of questions 10. IPC Indian Penal Code, you will be getting 8 questions. CRPC Criminal Procedure Code 10 questions. CPC Code Civil Procedure 10 questions. Evidence Act 8 questions. Alternate Dispute Redressal including Arbitration Act 4 questions. Family Law 8 questions. Public Interest Litigation 4 marks. Administrative Law 3 marks. Professional Ethics and Case of Professional Misconduct under BCI Rules 4 marks. Company Law 2 marks. Environmental Law 2 marks. Cyber Law 2 marks. Labor and Industrial Laws 4 marks. Law of Tort including Motor Vehicle Act and Consumer Protection Law, it will be 5 marks. Law related to taxation will be 4 marks. Law of Contract, Specific Relief, Property Laws, Negotiable Instrument Act will be 8 marks. So Land Acquisition Act will be 2 marks. Intellectual Property Laws will be 2 marks. So these are the most important subjects, and total 19 subjects they are going to cover for this examination. And my dear friends, the eligibility of AIBE should be, what is the eligibility criteria for AIBE 2020 qualifying examination? The candidates must either have passed 3 years or 5 years LLB degree from a BCI recognized law school. No minimum percentage is required in the qualifying examination in order to apply for AIBE 2020. Because most of the students will be asking what is the age, what is the qualification, what is the minimum marks to secure for this examination. But however, there is no such kind of restrictions to write that examination. And also you need to make a note that you are supposed to apply for everything in time, okay? And the age limit, as I said, there is no age limit to appear in AIBE 15th examination. And what about the minimum marks? The BCA has not mentioned the minimum marks criteria for appearing in AIBE. So AIBE is conducted to check the candidate's ability to practice law in India. The eligibility criteria of AIBE 15th literally defines the eligibility criteria to practice law in India. If a candidate found not eligible for AIBE 15th, the conducting body may cancel his certificate of practice, COP, that is called COP, anytime. So I wish you all the best, my dear friends. Good luck for your AIBE. Thank you.